Imagine you're working on a data manipulation problem in R, and you encounter an interesting issue related to row names and data frames. This problem arises when combining two data frames using the Rbind function, leading to unexpected results in the row names. But fear not, as there is a straightforward explanation and solution to this dilemma. In the solution provided, two methods are showcased to create data frames with unique row names. In the first method, the row names are represented as integers, maintaining their original form even after combining the data frames. On the other hand, the second method assigns row names as strings, resulting in the addition of an index to make them unique upon combining. As you delve deeper into the intricacies of data frame creation and manipulation, you'll notice that the type of row names significantly impacts the final result. By understanding how row names are handled in R, you can anticipate and resolve discrepancies like the one observed in this particular scenario. Continuing our exploration of data frame creation, we observe how assigning row names as strings can lead to unexpected outcomes when merging data frames. The uniqueness of row names plays a vital role in data frame operations, influencing the structure and organization of the resulting dataset. In the second part of the solution, we further analyze the impact of assigning string row names to data frames and how it affects the merging process. The addition of an index to string row names ensures uniqueness, preventing conflicts and maintaining the integrity of the combined dataset. Diving deeper into data frame manipulation techniques, we explore a method to equalize row names by specifying row.names equals null during data frame creation from a matrix with predefined row names. This approach ensures consistency in row names across different data frames, enabling seamless integration and analysis of the dataset. In conclusion, understanding the nuances of row names in our data frames is essential for effective data manipulation and analysis. By carefully considering the type and uniqueness of row names, you can avoid discrepancies and ensure the integrity of your datasets. So next time you encounter a row name dilemma, remember to adjust your approach for a harmonious merging experience. And as always, happy coding, stay curious, and may your data always be tidy and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comment section below.